how to make fluffy slime out of laundry detergent. So the things you'll need is Elmer's glue, shaving gel, and laundry detergent. A container to put your slime, and something to mix with. I'm gonna use a spoon. Okay, so let's get started. First, you get the container and open it and put the glue in. Okay, you just have to wait. And then you put shaving gel somewhere. You put it in the container too. I forgot to mention that. And then you mix it up with the spoon and it turns into like shaving foam. As you can see, it turned into shaving foam. Okay, so then you pour it in, put it in where the glue is. Let me get this out of the way. It's messy, but I'm making slime. And slime is messy. Now you mix up those two. And now you put laundry detergent in a cup too. Right there. Let me put this all the way back. And you put it in. Then you pour it in the mixture you made of shaving gel and glue. And then mix it up. Keep on pouring it until it's good. And play with it to make it not sticky. And you have to keep pouring on laundry detergent until it's not sticky. So keep playing with it. Now it's kind of not sticky, so it's kind of good. So let's see. Yep, it's sticky. That's why you have to keep on playing with it. It's fun to play with. It's kind of not sticky. And it's blue. Because the shaving gel was blue, so it's turned blue like the shaving gel. So, yeah. Okay, it's not sticky. Okay. So that's how you make slime. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Because it's not sticky now. Look. Look guys, it's not even sticky. So it's good and it's fluffy. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so this is how good it is. And I love it. So bye guys. See you in my next video.